Hey everyone! Ready to kickstart your fitness journey? Let's dive into some easy workouts perfect for beginners. We're gonna be talking about getting in shape, man. It can be intimidating, right? Especially if you're just starting out. You're bombarded with all these crazy workout routines, supplements, and diets. It's enough to make anyone tap out. But let me tell you, it doesn't have to be that complicated. We're gonna strip it down, get back to basics. No fancy equipment, no expensive gym memberships, just you, your body, and a little bit of effort. We're gonna be focusing on simple, effective exercises that anyone can do. These exercises are the building blocks, man. Once you master these, you can build on them, get stronger, and really start to see some amazing changes in your body. So are you ready to get after it? Let's do this. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic jumping jacks. Remember these from gym class? Don't underestimate them, man. They're simple, but they get the blood pumping. We're not talking about just going through the motions here. Feel the stretch in your arms and legs as you jump. Engage your core, man. You want to feel that little burn in your muscles. That's how you know it's working. Start with 20 reps, take a little breather, then do another 20. As you get stronger, crank up those reps. You'll be surprised how quickly you progress. Trust me, you'll be feeling the burn in no time, but it's a good burn. That's your body thanking you for pushing it. Jumping jacks, man. They're like the gateway drug to fitness. Once you start feeling the benefits, you'll be hooked. Next up, we're hitting those legs with some bodyweight squats. Now, squats are the king of exercises. They work everything: legs, glutes, core. They're a full-body workout disguised as a leg exercise. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. Keep your back straight, chest up, and look straight ahead. Now imagine you're sitting back into a chair. Go down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Hold it for a second, then push back up to the starting position. Make sure you're engaging your core throughout the entire movement. You don't want your back doing all the work. Start with 10 to 12 reps and do 3 sets. As you get stronger, you can increase the reps, add some weight, or even try different variations. Squats are a game changer, man. They build strength, improve mobility, and they're just plain good for you. Get those squats in. Alright, it's push-up time. Now, push-ups can be intimidating, I get it, but don't worry, we're gonna start slow. If you need to, start on your knees. There's no shame in that. We all gotta start somewhere, right? Place your hands shoulder-width apart, fingers pointing forward. Lower your body down until your chest touches the floor. Keep your core engaged and your back straight. Then push yourself back up to the starting position. Remember, form is key here. It's better to do a few perfect push-ups than a bunch of sloppy ones. Start with as many reps as you can handle, even if it's just a few. Keep practicing, and you'll be surprised how quickly you get stronger. Push-ups are like the ultimate test of strength, man. They build muscle, increase bone density, and they make you feel like a badass. Now it's time to fire up that core with some planks. Don't underestimate the plank, man. It looks easy, but it's a killer workout for your abs, obliques, and lower back. Get into a push-up position, but instead of resting on your hands, lower yourself onto your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold that position. Start with 30 seconds, and gradually increase the time as you get stronger. You can even try different variations like side planks or plank jacks to really challenge yourself. The plank is all about mental toughness, man. It's about pushing through the burn and testing your limits. A strong core is essential for everything, man. It improves your posture, reduces back pain, and gives you that ripped physique. So get planking. Alright, let's wrap things up with some lunges. Lunges are great for your legs, glutes, and balance. Plus, they really get that heart rate up. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Take a big step forward with your right leg and lower your body until your right thigh is parallel to the ground. Make sure your front knee doesn't extend past your toes. Push off with your right foot to return to the starting position, and repeat on the other side. Keep your core engaged throughout the entire movement, and don't be afraid to use your arms for balance. Start with 10 to 12 reps on each leg, and do 3 sets. Lunges are all about finding your balance both physically and mentally. They challenge your coordination and build strength and stability, plus they make your legs look fantastic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these beginner workouts, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips and routines. See you next time. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle and finding what works for you. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, listen to your body. Take it one step at a time, and celebrate your progress along the way. You got this. Keep pushing, keep growing, and I'll catch you in the next video.